Welcome to our channel. Let's tackle financial one credit union transaction errors with a simple step-by-step method. Welcome to our channel. If you've encountered transaction errors with financial one credit union, don't worry. We're here to walk you through an easy step-by-step method. To fix those issues effectively, first, make sure your internet connection is stable, since poor connectivity can cause transaction failures. Start by logging into your financial one credit union online account or mobile app. Next, navigate to the Transaction History or Recent Transactions section. Here you can identify the transaction that triggered the error. Take note of any error codes or messages displayed, because they will help diagnose the problem. The first practical step is to verify that your account has sufficient funds. If the balance is low, the transaction may fail. Adjust your account balance accordingly. Then double-check the recipient details, including account numbers and routing numbers, to rule out any input mistakes. If everything looks correct, proceed by logging out and restarting the app or browser. This can often clear temporary glitches caused by software issues. Now try to perform the transaction again. If the error persists, clear your browser cache or app data and update the app to the latest version available. This ensures compatibility and fixes known bugs. Sometimes the issue might stem from scheduled maintenance or outages on the credit union's side, so it's wise to check their official website or contact support for announcements. If after all these steps the problem remains, don't hesitate to call Financial One Credit Union's customer service. Directly explain the issue, including any error codes received, and ask for guidance. They often can resolve errors quickly or escalate them. If needed, a helpful tip is to take screenshots or note all error details before calling. This will speed up troubleshooting and reduce frustration. Remember, most transaction errors are fixable with these clear steps. Stay patient and methodical throughout the process, and you'll be able to get back on track swiftly. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you manage your transactions comfortably. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful financial tips.